Number 17, Lazalita. Good serve. Masyadong tingin sa net. Middle. Still on the net to serve, Lazalita. Good up. Binatay sa open. Drop ball. Balintong. Chicken. Double bar, drop ball. Dolphin dive. Double bar. Double bar. Left. Balintong is blocked. Still serving, Alejandro. Good serve. Good up. Pinasa open. Double bar. Pinacheck. Try. Still serving, Villanueva. Good serve. Benobar. And what a hit by Benobar. Score. 8. Serving. High mid serve. What a serve. Free ball ang ibibigay. Itataas sa UT. Check. Block, but it is outside. Score. Good serve. What a serve! And an ace! Kaya Balintong. Balintong. What a serve by Balintong. Gomobar scores 9. Jersey number 12, Gomobar serving. Good serve. Service ace for Gomobar. Score. Still serving. Service ace again. 11. Serving ace. Serving Gomobar. Good serve. Good up. Dandan. Dub. Pero Diaz. Check ball. 9. Sora still serving. What a serve. Lazalita. Lazalita scores. Yeah, serving. Good serve. Back to attack. Inside. Good serve. Almost an ace. Gomobar. Gomobar scores. Villanueva serving. Good serve. Up by inside by Dandan. 6. Jersey number 6 serving. Almost an ace. Free ball ang ibibigay. Pero Diaz. Shot ball. First one. Jersey number 16 serving. Philippine. Tips it on. Service ace. Gone. Good serve. And what a drop shot by Alejandro. 22. Sore serving. Good serve. Good serve. Open. Check. But no call. Balintong. Inside. 24. Good serve. Lazalita. Ibibigay kay Balintong. An advantage. Good serve. Good up. Balintong. Check ball. Teleport serving. Balintong. Open hip. Chicken wings. Babaw ng paraan. Masyadong dikit sa net. Outside. Good save. Too low. Drop ball, Balintong. Alojado still serving. Good ball. On an open hit. Anya serving. Almost at okay. Drop shot by Bar, serving. Itataas. Bumalik sa kabilang part, Galia. Itataas sa open. Lubag. 3 ball ang ibibigay. Kanina ibibigay. Itataas kay Dandan, 3 ball. Galia on an open hit. Doug. Balintong. Chicken wings. Good serve. Crossing violation committed by jersey number 27 still serving. Lazalita, gagawa ng paraan. Jersey number 27, Balintong serving. Inside. Jersey number 6 serving. Good serve, good up. Galia on the UT. Almost is good. Nilang tao sa UT. Itataas sa open. Galia. Push it over. Chicken wings. And the other angle. Good on the ball. Good up. Tataas sa UT. Rolls it over. Gonna ball. Pero Diaz. Ibabalik 3 ball. Black ball. Outside. Pero Diaz. Good serve. Good up. Gonna ball on another hit. Puts it over. Alojado sa ringit ni Balintong. Check ball. Itataas. Gonna ball. Outside. Jersey number 10, Wilson. Serving. Checked. Itataas sa open. Water down the line hit and some sass in that hit. For the postal hit by Balintong. Good ball. And a stare down. Babylonia serving. Good up. Balintong. Wow! Drop shot. Tawing Balintong. What an opening! Babalintong! 13. Palitid. Pataas sa open. Chen sisters running for that ball. Jersey number 22 still serving. Itataas kila Zalita. Wow! Good and well as first. The third set. Inside. Chop ball. Dalia setting it to Gombar on an open hit. And it is inside. Third set. Jersey number 17. Serving. What? That attack from the middle. Free ball ang ibibigay. Balantong. Inside.
Alojado still serving.
Itaas mo lang. Checked. Outside. Itataas ke Dandan. Jump ball. Kitang-kita. Basang-basa. Checked. Pushes it to the back. Balantong. Ano na hit? Dub. Dub. Oh. Miscommunication error. 27. Jersey number 27 Balantong serving. Good serve. Serve. Dandan serving. Itataas. Gagaya. Check. Almost a square. Magbabalik ba? Hindi. Darian serving. Good serve. Almost an ace. Balantong on the back. From the back. Babylonia. To Lazarita. And he scores on that. Top of the match brought to you by Camillus Pharmacy. Good serve. Good up. Pushes it through. What? An attack by Babylonia. Francis Anthony. Black Villanueva. What a serve. Drop ball. Hindi ako naka-atras sa Simon. Tinaas sa open. What? Pwede pa tayo yun.
Oops, almost an ace. Free ball ang balik.
Kanino itataas? Balantong, drop ball, kitang-kita. Gumaball, drop ball, checked. Drop ball, ay, wala pagalit. Drop ball. Balantong. Gumaball, drop ball. Balantong, drop ball. And Gomaball puts power on that hit. Jersey number 10 serving. Good serve. Free ball. Kanina itataas. Siyempre, Gomaball. Umwera tip and pumasok sa block ni Dandan. Villanueva serving. Good serve. Siyempre, Tataas 5 bumabor. And it is outside. And smiles. Perfect smile. Dental smile. Kasi ako po si Iya. Back set. What a hit by Banban. Balantong. Block. 16, jersey number 16 serving. Good serve. Oopsie. Ibabalik. Dalia. Oopsie. 19. Good serve. Ace. 20-13. Outside. Okay. Lazalita. Lazalita pushes it over and he scores. Ito ang Poblacion Doors. Inside. Match point. Poblacion Doors.